tech savvy.
Reviewer for Driver's License, Non-Professional Light Vehicle, Part 2. 31. While driving with a maximum speed and you have to stop suddenly, you should answer. Apply your brakes gently with steady pressure. 32. When another vehicle is following you too closely, you should answer. Slow down gradually and give him the signal to overtake you. 33. The driver of the vehicle behind you should always practice distancia amigo, or the 3-second rule to prevent blank. Answer. Rear-end crashes. 34. When parking uphill without a curb, turn your wheels. Answer. Towards the edge of the road. 35. When parking downhill, you must answer. Turn your wheels to curb. 36. When parking uphill, you must answer. Turn your wheels away from the curb. 37. When you make an abrupt move, especially when you are on a wet and possibly slippery road, the following action can cause you to skid and lose control. Answer. Improper braking. 38. Whenever you are driving, especially when overtaking. Answer. Never overtake another vehicle from a tailgating position. 39. When driving on a highway, do not stare at the vehicle in front of you, instead you should answer. Extend your scanning distance to about 12 seconds beyond the front of your vehicle. 40. When driving on mountain roads during daytime, you should answer. Blow your horn when approaching a blind curve. 41. When driving downhill on a mountain road, always answer. Shift to low gear so the engine braking action can help you control your speed. 42. The headlights should be used often as needed to answer. Make your intentions known to drivers around you. 43. At an intersection, if two vehicles arrived at the same time, which vehicle has the right of way? Answer. Vehicle on the right. 44. When negotiating a curve on a highway at a relatively high speed, you should answer. Decrease your speed further as you enter the curve. 45. When planning to overtake a slower vehicle in front of you at night, you should answer. Flick your dimmer switch 2 or 3 times to signify your intention to the driver of the vehicle that you intend to overtake. 46. You are driving on a 2-lane road. A vehicle coming in the opposite directions decides to overtake. Judging by his speed and distance from you, he will not make it and he is on the head-on collision course with you. What will you do? Answer. Reduce your speed right away and pull over to the right shoulder of the road. 47. Driving in heavy rains can be extremely dangerous because visibility is limited. What should you do? Answer. When you cannot see more than 20 meters in front of you, turn on your hazard lights, headlights and look for a safe place to park. 48. A flashing red signal means answer. You must stop and then go only when it is safe to do so. 49. Your speed while driving at night should keep on. Answer. The distance that you can see where you come to a complete stop within the distance that your headlights can light up. 50. One that affects your visibility. Answer. Defective or dirty headlights. 51. When driving at night, you should answer. Always turn your headlights on. 52. Being passed is normal part of driving and should not be taken as an insult to one's ability. You should answer. Slow down and make it easy to stop. 53. When oncoming vehicle deliberately crosses the center line to pass another vehicle, you should be
and subscribe.
Answer. Alert and be ready to slow down or stop if necessary. 54. When an oncoming vehicle crosses the center line in a straight road, you should be. Answer. Slow down and keep to right. 55. When an oncoming vehicle is forced to cross the center line to avoid hitting another vehicle which suddenly pulled out from the lane, just. Answer. Be alert and be prepared to slow down and give way. 56. When an oncoming vehicle crosses the center line in making a left turn, a driver should. Answer. Wait for oncoming traffic to clear up. 57. When approaching a flooded area and you have to go through it, what should you do? Answer. Proceed at a very slow speed. 58. A single solid yellow or white line means. Answer. Passing, overtaking is not allowed. 59. If two vehicles approach or enter an intersection at approximately the same time, which vehicle has the right of way? Answer. The vehicle on the right. 60. To avoid intersection collision, a driver must. Answer. Know and practice the rules relating to the right of way and proper procedure in crossing an intersection.
Hit like and subscribe.